what's up? It's me, Joe from Kangaroo Gaming.
And me, Sam for Waffle. Hello.
From Sam for Waffle Inc. We're going to be playing...
Apparently I'm a company.
Yeah, we're going to be playing Wolf Quest.
Yeah. No, make you... Be a ginger. Be a ginger. Be a ginger. That's a ginger. E. Be a ginger. Oh, ginger, right there, ginger. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Why not?
Okay, you're gonna have like no. No, you want your speed.
Woof woof! Roar! Woof! Roar! Woof!
Oh wait, just go for all strength. Just go all strength. And then, wait. Can I see? Go. There! No, wait. Can I get the... Oh, no, you can't get them both on face. Okay, so Joe's a female.
No!
Okay.
Alpha male.
Wolf is huge. You're gonna, like, go up to another wolf.
Wait. I was supposed to remember all of this.
I know how to play.
No.
Fairly simple.
Wait, so bite, pick up. Okay, that's all I need to know.
I beat this game. I made out with another wolf and had babies. In that world, I was the biggest.
Wait.
And by biggest, I mean my junk. me and Joe, Joe was like, hey, look it. And we just, like, a video about a goat. And its balls were the size of a keyboard.
Hair.
Yeah, you might want to move.
Eat! Wait, why is it named Sam?
Wait, what? Where? You named it Sam by accident. Great job. Very good job. You can hit Q to run.
Oh! I was looking for that
You're so
button.
slow. Look at your stamina. It's just going down so quickly.
Oh, which one is my, sense? Which one is sense? F? E? R?
I wonder, can you still hack the game? You used to be able to hack the game.
I'm just looking for sense.
Sense is... Oh, what? Oh, kill a grizzly bear. Oh, wait. I'm gonna kill a grizzly bear. I'm gonna kill a grizzly bear.
I'm just a new wolf in town.
Okay, I'm walking backwards. Yep, Harlem shit. Moonwalk. Moonwalk like a pro. Oh yeah, moonwalk. Yeah, moonwalk.
Okay.
No, this should be like a remix.
Okay. I get it.
Oh, V.
Oh, V? Okay.
Okay, you like... Oh, I wonder if the glitch is still in the game or you're gonna die. You're dead.
That's why I'm doing this.
Wait, hit V. And then, like, look up. Look up.
Okay. Pink cinch means something is dead. So,
No, duh. You're about to die anyway.
I know, that's why I'm...
You will become a pink thingy.
Wait, if I
You
want
like smell that through the mountain? Holy crap.
Apparently.
Best smell in the world. Oh, wait. Be a stunt puppy. And slide down the mountain. I think you can still kill the coyote.
Come back.
Running might help.
Yeah, whatever. I am running! Look how
So
fast
our
I'm
first
going.
objective is to
Get
find a
food! Get food right now.
Well, right now is to get food, but first we need to get a mate. And Joe,
I want
hold. Do this.
Oh,
Stop moving the keypad all the way over to the side. There you go.
Then let me sit in the main chair.
My chair. It's my...
Okay, so basically you have to be at its neck. Go Go to its neck.
What? I'm in it. I'm like inside it.
Hurry up! Sam's gonna die.
I'm like parking myself. Eat the food. What the frick? Is wolf demented? It won't eat food. It's like I am a picky eater. I only enjoy certain types of. Okay. it's just disappearing.
I know. It's just like flattening. Like. Oh.
It's like I'm retarded. I'm just gonna.
Wait. Look at the map quickly. Oh wait. Eat more.
Yes. More food.
Its eyeball.
Yeah. I'm like eating its eyeball out. Oh wait.
How to rest and sleep. No door!
Oh crap!
What?
It's like evil. Look at it.
Wait, eat one more time. Let's see if its tail disappears.
Look at its evil eyes. They're like staring
Ate
into
its pupils.
It's like, are you sure you wanted to kill me?
I'm under your bed at night.
Yeah, right? It's like, you shall pay. Eat the food. God dang it.
Whatever, you're full.
Okay, screw you. Okay. M for map. Okay.
Okay, hunting grounds are orange.
Let's go straight.
Oh,
it shows us on the compass. I totally didn't know that.
you know, last time I played this
so-
on your computer, I went full speed, so I was able to get there in like 2 minutes.
2 minutes, wow. You really stink then.
No!
It only takes about a minute. Maybe
No, because I was all the way up here on the map.
Here. Oh crap! It's so fucking fast. We're like a tank. We're like slow and steady.
Let's level up.
You don't level up.
I know. I'm just saying.
When are you like playing a video game? What the crap?
Yeah. Sorry, guys. His mic system, the instant the speaker gets touched, it will blow up.
It's just like.
When you get your foot off of it, it's like, okay, I'm good.
He's like, I'm fine. Sometimes it's like, tap me again, so you can fix me. I'm like, but you'll probably blow up. And it's like, yeah, I know I probably will, but it's the only option you have. Faster. Oh yay, it's brighter white. We're already 7 minutes through. Oh yay! Now we hit V. Ooh yay! Yay, yellow stuff!
Standing on a pea trail.
Yay! I'm following the P. Following my P's. These are P's. These are
Dappy.
dopey. What? Coyote wolf? No, it's distracting my P scent. It's the multiple P scents. I don't know where to go.
The
I'm
yellow
not
one.
smart enough.
The yellow one.
I'm not smart enough.
At least if I come up to the chief, I can go, no, you back down.
I don't get it.
You know how it's like,
Oh, did you see? Was it like a reference to the Yogscast?
yeah. He's
Oh.
like, no, you back down. Another wolf went, no, you back down. It just went on for like 10 minutes.
Figures. But so we have to find a mate, and I don't know if Joe is capable of breeding.
Okay,
Because I am here, and the mate will be like, oh, Sam, he's so beautiful and glorious.
No, he won't.
Yeah, they will.
Oh, wait, I just said he.
What? What are you saying? This is where the trail leads. I am very awkwardly running. It's a specimen.
Male. Look for a female. I'm not gonna leave.
Okay, you know what? I'm a boss. Back off. Do I have to like walk?
What is that?
You're not my family. I'm not boss. It's cool.
Wait, I'm supposed to be doing this game.
No, I'm awesome. I'm awesome.
It's going to my channel.
Oh, okay, fine.
Give me.
I have my. Stop it.
Give me.
I'm doing this conversation. Fine. Here. Say I'll stay put. I'll stay put.
Wait, no.
I'll stay put.
Get going.
No. Why do you stink?
Okay.
Because you want to make the conversations last as long as they can. You know that?
Now, give me your pea scent to the other wolves.
No, you have to go to another wolf territory. You just go from, in this game, all you do is go one wolf territory to the next, to the next, to the next, to the next, to the next.
Until you
And
find...
then you find one female. That's the first female you see, and then it's a different breed, and so you're like, crap. So then you go to the next, and the next.
Wait, what do I have to look
And
for?
the next, and the next, and then you find another female, but it's again a different breed. And so you druid, I think. You can find a
Oh,
druid.
Lord, help me.
Aren't druids like the toughest wolf pack in the
Yep.
thing? You're like,
So if I...
boss, back off.
Oh, yeah, that's what it went on with, the druid male.
You stink at biting. You really stink.
Come here. Yeah.
Like, no, you stink in real life though.
Why did I slow down?
Run!
I am!
Here! And it's outrunning you. Look at this thing. It's like, haha, you're so slow.
I'm finding this other one. Ooh. Elk
Look at that
carcass.
booty. Look at that elk booty. I totally want some of that. Oh, yeah, that.
I'm just gonna eat until it's dead.
Now we have no problems. Oh, God, it's like... Oh, wait, make it disappear. Ready? Magic. Oh, wait, no.
Oh, what the heck?
Ready. Oh, wait. Hit it. Do it again. Stop shaking the thing. It's really loud.
Oh.
Do it one more time. No, we can't do it another. Do it another.
You made me move my guy out of position.
Out of position. You need to face a certain way, shape, and form to eat.
I know, right?
It's like... It's kind
You
of
know what?
No,
I
eat
did.
it! Do the magic trick where it disappears.
No.
Okay, then. He doesn't like
He
magic.
just pulls up the Nintendo gun.
Yeah, I have a classic Nintendo.
Move territory! Wait, we're outside of the territory.
Hit V. Hit OK, then hit V.
Wait, now if I go to map.
You just went in and then went out.
H, V. Oh! PP!
Wrong way. I'm fairly sure you're going the wrong way. PP! Look for the P!
P.
I once found a wolf territory, but it was on like the edge of... Oh wait, no, you are going the right way. But it was on the edge of the world, so it hit V. So it didn't...
What's
What's up?
I'm no threat to you.
Don't be submissive. You're gonna end up like the worst parent. She's gonna be like,
I'll stay for
go make me spaghetti.
Do I know you?
No, that's gonna...
You're stronger than I am.
No! No! Not even close.
I'm just trying to
Put your strength to max.
get going. Oh!
I'll wait and see. Yes. Own her. I give in. I'm just a bad girl.
I'll stay here.
I'm no
not-
threat to you.
Oh, heck.
It's cool. It's cool. Joe, you wouldn't know how to talk to ladies anyway. I win. Okay.
What? You know what?
Own her. Do I know you? And then own her.
Do I know you?
Oh, it's already 14 minutes. No, don't go. I want to make out with you.
Hey,
Dang it.
come back.
I want to make out with you and make little puppies.
Ooh. Yum.
Okay.
Get out.
It's 14 minutes. And
Okay.
30 seconds.
Well, I guess I will be saying
Goodbye.
goodbye, good night, good night, good
We'll miss
morning.
you.
Wait, good night, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. If you're in Brazil,
Do you even know the time zone of Brazil?
no. I
If they're Brazilian, they don't even know what we're saying. But there's 10 seconds left. Quickly.
Wait! Come here! Come here!
You'll never catch it! You'll never catch it!